Hello everyone, so today I'm going to present about the post-harvest technique Polychaete culture. But before that, I would like to introduce my group member that are Dayang Nadia Patricia, Fatin Maisara, me myself Shamanta and Averito. But before that, I would like to tell you guys about the Polychaete. Polychaete is a paraphyletic class of general marine annelid worms that is commonly called as bristleworms. There are more than 10,000 species in this class, and this Polychaete culture has been viable and commercially attempted, but intensive production has progressed only in a few countries around the world, um, such as Northeast England and Netherlands. And for in the countries with no production, marine polychaetes are imported or harvested. Okay, this is the producing redworm for shrimp for rootstock maturation. They are available in three forms, which is fresh feeds, formulated feeds, and semi-formulated feeds. And this redworm is cultured in indoor hatcheries or in-house, and they are fed with specialized diet. The harvesting is usually done by using sludge pump and sieving on a dewatering device, and they are, of course, collected alive. And this is the example of the picture where the redworms is collected alive. After harvesting, the animals are cleaned and purged for 24 hours in clean water. And the freezing process is blast freezing or nitrogen freezing. And they are routinely checked, sorted, and selected before they are packed in small carton boxes and frozen. So preservation of redworms, we can do it by ourselves by using these 5 materials, that are small dish, salt, measuring jug, and tap water. Make sure the tap water are in room temperature. So this is the method. The first one, measure the salt 4 times as much as water, and then stir and mix it up till it completely dissolve. After that, we put the redworm, but make sure to remove the debris or mud from the redworm beforehand, and put it into the salt solution. Place it in the fridge and leave it overnight for 24 hours. After that, take the redworms out from the saline water, shake off the water residue, and place it onto the kitchen towel or tissue, and pat the redworm dry on another piece of newspaper. Pour moderate amount of salt as a paste, and then lay the worms evenly on the salt paste. After that, roll the newspaper up and place it inside a freezer and leave it overnight for best result. And check the process after a day being frozen, then keep it stored until usage. And this is the harvested on 4 main Portuguese brackish water system for 2 coastal lagoons and 2 estuaries. There are 6 harvesting strategies. The first one is field observation, to record the number of bed diggers in each system, and series of stationary sampling stations and pot routes were selected to cover most intertidal areas used to perform bed digging activities. The second strategy is surveys. In surveys, they used to detect bed diggers and estimate the information that was not possible to register during counting observation, and to accurately weight and extrapolate the observed data. The third one is logbook. The information gathered with the logbook was used to calculate the weight of pet captures and the gross income of the selling activity. Okay, and this is the picture of the anatomy of polychaetes. Okay, the fourth harvesting strategy is estimation of exploitable intertidal areas, where the exploitable intertidal areas of each system were divided into different sectors with the aim of identifying the preferential and non-used areas for bed digging activity. The fifth one is the estimation of the number of and density of bed diggers, where the average number of bed diggers was calculated in each system and period based on the field observation. And last but not least, estimation of bed capture and economical value. The quantity of bed capture per system was estimated based on the daily weighted average number of pet diggers, where it is irrespectively of the period due to some incomplete information in the logbooks and on the respective average catches per person which was obtained by the logbooks. That's all for our presentation today. Thank you for listening.